So, tapos na yung Baguio guys. And di ba nakaraan nag-unbox tayo. And today, i-open na natin sila for our video. So, let's open it up. Na-excite na ako guys. Let's go! So, ito na ang ating blaster box. 2015 ay 2025. Look for autograph, relic cards, case exclusive, season tip parallels. And meron tayong mega box holiday naman. So this first time we're gonna open NBA. So hopefully we opened last time in the whip. So ito yung first time na na-open natin sa end. Okay, how many packs? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. 7 packs. Let's go. Hopefully we get something good. Rui, Moses Moody, Quentin Grimes, 8-bit parallel. Uy, Cooper flag. Foil Cooper flag. Not bad for this youth. And parallel. So the chase is Cooper. We got one. We got Cooper flag base. Foil. Not numbered. Yeah. Good start, good start. Keontae George, Lonzo Ball, Finney Smith, Ingram, and Generation Now rookie Ashewell. And this one is Max Strus. So mga foil lang, pero wala pa tayong mga major yet. Meron tayong glitter dun guys. Rip City, Jalen, and Potek. Pascal Siakam. Uy, nice parallel. Power players. So, iniwalay ko yung mga and come on much. Oh shit. I saw something hopefully maganda. Vince Carter, 8-bit. Denver Nuggets. Uy, nice. Championship duo. Nice box, ah. Uy, I saw hopefully Lakers. Legend team yata yung tawag doon, ewan ko. Young Bulls. Uy, nice, nice. Not bad. Yan na rookie. Last pack. So, not bad guys. That's a hit. So this one is AJ Johnson. Nice one. Generation now. And, uy! Grabe naman yan. So, ito yung na-hit ko dun sa break, guys. We hit this SSP and we got this. Not bad. Is okay na. So, meron din tayong mga 8-bit players. Of course, Cooper. Yan guys. Open na ba natin yung isa pong tops? Sige, open na natin. I'm gonna back in 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. So, ito yung mga... Hindi ko alam kung hit ba to. Pero, ayan. Pero kakaiba. Ito yung na-hit ko dati. Miami hit. And si Pascal naman, power players. So, ayun. So, all goods. Try naman natin to Mega Box. So, this one is Holiday Edition. This is my first time opening NBA. To be honest, guys. Ayan, nakita nyo paano mag-open kasi parang parang Pokemon. Holiday na holiday, oh. Secure the packs. And nandun yung natin. Sino to? Ayaw magbawa. Merry Christmas from Stephen Curry. Merry Christmas, guys. Stephen Curry is in the house. Let's go. So, LaMelo Ball, Cooper Plug, kahit base, okay na. Kasi I watch some breaks. Wala man lang Cooper kahit Ty Jones, Glitter. And ito yung dumidikit. Durant and Scotty Barnes. Tabi ko na nga yung top loader. Ay yung sleeves ko dito. Sleeve natin yan kahit di natin alam kung anong word. Di yata, ayun, kasya. I think every pack is merong glitter. So, let's see. Ja Morant, Klay Thompson, Rui, my boy, Kawhi, Stephen Curry. Uy, blue! So, ano ba to? Kaso madumi siya. Blue something. Stephen Curry. Tapos hindi pa siya buo. Ganda ba yan, guys? Kaya sa madumi. Gradable. And the two. Drake Powell, lahat ng RC doon. Jaden Ivey. So, ano lang to, base. Ito medyo makapal to, ha. Let's see nga. May relic ba tayo dito, guys? Medyo makapal to, ha. Anthony Davis. Victor Wembanyama, Chris Brown, Scoot Henderson, Jaylen Brown. Isa prank lang ba? Ano yan? It's prank. I thought makapal. Jacare, Desmond Bain, D'Angelo Layasi. Dumidikit to. And yeah. So Stephen Curry will bless us. Quinton Post, Kristaps Porzingis, Keontae George, Trae Young, Donovan Mitchell. Ba't hindi siya ano? So, ba't ganun? Anyways, last 1, 2, 3. We want an auto. Can we get an auto? Stephon Castle, Jamal Murray. Uy, kala ko si ano na. And Klay Thompson. So, yung white pala exclusive for blaster box only lang pala yan. So, hindi siya ganun ka-rare. Uy, Austin Reeves, my boy. Jonathan. And another. Medyo makapal din to. Puro medyo makapal ah. And Damian Green, Rui 4-3. So maganda yung step natin kasi siya lang yung blue. Oh my god. Blue scary. And yeah, I think that's it guys. We managed to pull the blue something carry and this. Hindi ko alam, hindi naman siya numbered eh. Pero I think exclusive siya. Ty Jones, not numbered. So I think ito na yung pinakamagandang nakuha natin dito. So, yun lang guys. I hope you enjoyed my video. Click that notification bell to keep you updated. And don't forget to like and subscribe. Merry Christmas from Stephen Curry. Peace.